My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called TonyBank. TonyBank is a ransomware that attacks Windows computers. It encrypts and damages the files that the customers store on their computers, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation. Intrusion of this ransomware happens because of certain vulnerabilities in the existing security system of the specific computer. And then customers realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their documentation anymore. So then pretty soon people realize that the files have been encrypted by this particular ransomware. The ransomware also places this ransomware note saying that all files are encrypted and that victims need to contact this email address, tomybank at privyonline.net. This is why the ransomware is called like that. However, it does not add a special unique extension to the files, unlike other ransomware type threats. We strongly urge you not to pay the ransom, because paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files will be recovered. First thing we recommend you to do, if you can, to check the task manager and terminate any suspicious processes that could be running. If they are associated with the ransomware, you need to terminate them. Speaking about removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It also works as anti-ransomware, and it will help you to remove this TonyBank ransomware. So get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and then begin carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats, including this ransomware, from your computer. It is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. After the anti-malware database of the program has been successfully updated, the program begins researching and investigating the computer. And then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats which were revealed. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature works extremely well in terms of protecting your files. You may add one or several folders on your device that will always be protected. So, as I said, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of infections. Based on this information, some threats can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to delete all of them automatically, and this is the best way to keep your files always safe and secure with Combo Cleaner Premium.